Hello everyone, my name is Prasad Goyal and today I am proud to demonstrate PawPilot, an production quality multi-agent operating system designed to run stray animal rescue and adoption NGOs. As you can see here in our repository on GitHub, the project is completely decoupled into clean architecture containing a dedicated React frontend and a Python fast API backend ecosystem. Instead of building a fragile CRUD database app, we engineered a proud production ready system highlighting advanced agent engineering design patterns, multi agent orchestration via an internal processing engine, persistent memory context, automated visual triage, and strict human in loop governance gates. Let's break down to the technical foundation. So, I have used React 19 TypeScript for type safe code in the front end and Tailwind CSV, CSS v4 to implement a highly performant glassmorphic design layer. We choose white to ensure fast local developer compilation loops and immediate module replacement. On the backend, we leverage Fast API in running and Python 3.13 chosen for its fast asynchronous concurrency mechanics and native parsing. We use SQL Alchemy to manage relation schemas, backend backed by SQLite for robust local development storage. Our cognitive layer is entirely driven by Google Gemini 1.5 Flash using the Google Generative AI SDK. Crucially, the enforce strict output reliability, all backed agent inject structured pedantic data schemas directly into the Gemini generation configuration via the response schema parameter. The entirely bypass brittle string passing the guarantees 100% stable execution across the platform. Now let me take you, as you can all see, the project's structure, quick start guide about the local development front end, Docker, and here the demo credentials as well for the login of the uh, on the local host, which I have used to make things on it, make my project on it, API reference as well, and you can also see the contributing. So there's a repo. Here is the repository on GitHub. Let's switch to the project. Here is the localhost UI demo walkthrough. As you can see, I have already entered my credentials. I have to click on it, but before that, let's dive into the application running locally, logging onto our dark mode dashboard workspace. We have arrived on NGO command center. The application actively compiles critical analytical data logs from the relational schemas, displaying real-time updates for pending rescues, medical cases, and available adoptions. In this center, we have deployed an interactive custom live rescues and asset map rendered using raw SVG paths. Watch what happens when the emergency dispatch event occurs. I will trigger the simulate rescue route function. The system invokes our internal route planner agent to pass special coordinates tracking the rescue system live translate nodes across the map HUD. as you can see over here, in this center, we have displayed an interactive custom live rescues and asset maps rendered using SVG patch, which watch what happens when an emergency dispatch will trigger the simulate rescue route function. System invokes our internal route planner agent to pass special coordinates, tracking the rescue vehicle's live translate notes across the map HUD. So I'm over here the dashboard, and as you can see, on the dashboard we have like a map which is showing like as you can see, like there's a map showing on, which is showing that here is the rescue which we need to do. It's an injured puppy over here, and we need to safely, rescue it from over here, and we have to go for the PawPilot clinic over here, and here is the foster home where we can actually after the uh, after all the medical has been done for the puppy, we can actually we can actually send him in the foster home for its recovery. If I want to report any incident, then I can report that as well. See over here, I have a lot of task audit trial over here. I here uh, uh, like you can see that uh, I have someone has created an adoption application, and another one is created, and admin has actually approved the adoption. Let's move to the incident reporting. So we will click on the report incident, and let's move to the incident reporting module. Emergency reporting in the real world can be chaotic and fragmented. To solve this, we engineered an emergency hotline transcription simulator. Watch what as I trigger, I will just put my name only, and I will put my contact details. Let's just put like a contact details for example. I forgot to mention it. Okay, and here you can mention the detailed description. Suppose the puppy is injured, and we need help for that, and you can also submit for the photo for the adoption. Now if I click on the submit report, it will actually submit the report, and after that our multi-agent layer goes to work behind the scenes. Report intake agent synthesizes the situation and scans for duplicate filings. The image analysis agent evaluate image files to evaluate age and breed, and our AI trigger agent computes an overall prior classification ranging from low to critical. Suppose like if it was a critical thing, then it would have gone to like a critical to the critical team, and if it was not, then it won't be. I hope you can understand. Like if it's a critical case, then the emergency would be there. If not a critical, then it won't be there. And this is all the thing. And the system automatically assigns the closest volunteer with triggered field and with the navigation notes. Now let's move to the as once the uh, incident is verified, rescued, and processed through the medical loops, the incident profile is catalogued inside our global animal registry over here. Let's look to the at this form the lens of an adopter. Finding an absolute permanent homes required balancing the animal's temperament against human living constraints. Rather than using flat metadata tag search strings, we built an active AI matching agent simulator. By adjusting profile parameters such as setting our living space to a villa with a fence yard, the engine evaluates compatibility across multiple vectors, updates the compatibility threshold score, and summarizes the quantitative matching reason. I will click the adopt me button. As you can see, it's like already the Sheru is adopted. The Chinu, which is a cat, is available for adoption, and I can actually click on adopt me button. And here, after that, a formal application will begin screening me. As you can see, an AI pre-screening has begun for it. Now I can ask anything about this kitten, and everything has been mentioned over here. And suppose and this is also like an interview as well for the adopter who want to adopt the puppy, so that we can actually verify that everything with the adopter is perfectly, and he can manage the pet with and he can actually manage the pet. You can type that any type of text over here that suppose let's start with an hi, and it will actually start giving you. It's completely made with an AI. As you can see over here, that's it's made with AI, and it's like an AI agent who will actually give you like complete uh, a complete about completely about the pet. Now if I wanna type anything, supposedly I type this thing that um, I live in a suspicious house, and let's uh, I want to adopt this cat. And as you can see, like it can actually give you a response on that. You can also ask everything about the cat, that what is about the cat health, and everything about it, and after that you can actually adopt it. This instantly opens our premium AI adoption counselor workspace. Here, the adopter interacts with the multi-agent pre-screening system that provide a highly context-specific conversation input regarding our housing environment and background. When I click send, the platform triggers AI counseling agent. I pass the message history. Observe our dynamic analytical gauge meters on the right, updating suitability grade optimizes upwards while our adopter's risk scores drops to normal numbers. The agent isolates verified strength like our yard space directly to the front end tracking array and uses Gemini to dynamically output the interactive follow up questions block to help steer to use smoothly through the validation process. Now, if I move to the next step, uh, I will go to the dashboard, and here I can see, let me log out first, and actually I have login with the uh, guest account. I will log in with the NGO admin account, and here you can see the admin logs. In the admin logs, human in the loop governance. Even though our automated agent chains are highly capable, they are restricted from the altering mission critical database states on their own. Accessing our admin control board, supervisors can view our strict decision queue and review full conversation transcripts, risk rating, and telemetry before an application is finalized. As a human counselor, I will verify the safety markers and click approve. This unlocks the restriction commits, the situation transitions safely to our database logs, the state modification inside our trial, audit trial, and marks our rescued animals as officially adopted. So I can approve from here, and it will actually approve. As you can see, the last time when an adopter wanted to adopt it, so if like push an application, these are some old application, but if I go to the animal catalog, and as you can see over here, Chinu, it's been adopted. We push an application for it, and now I have verified it, so the Chinu has been adopted. Now we will go back to the dashboard, and this is the PawPilot, an elegant production ready multi-agent SaaS ecosystem built to bring modern artificial intelligence workflows to operations for such good. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you Google. Thank you thank you everyone for whoever is watching this, and at last I would like to say, um, at last I would like to say thank you Kaggle for giving me this wonderful opportunity so I can learn these many things about the AI and build this project. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity, and I really appreciate it. And thank you.